Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is your chemistry teacher Farzana Nazir. Today we are going to continue chapter 6, that is about solutions. Today we are going to discuss the preparation of solutions of given molarity. We will also discuss the preparation of solutions of given molarity by diluting a solution of given molarity. After going through today's lecture, students will be able to describe how to prepare a solution of given molarity. They can also describe how to prepare dilute solution from concentrated solution of known molarity. Students, as you already know, molarity is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved per cubic decimeter of solution. Today we are going to discuss how to prepare different solutions of given molarity. For the preparation of solutions, you need a volumetric flask. A volumetric flask has a long neck with an etched line. This line indicates the exact volume when the flask is filled to its line. Volumetric flask of capacity 1 cubic decimeter, 500 cubic centimeter, 250 cubic centimeter, 100 cubic centimeter, 50 cubic centimeter can be used. Suppose we have to prepare a solution of KMnO4 in 100 cubic centimeter. For the preparation of 0.2 molar KMnO4 solution in 100 cubic centimeter volumetric flask, first we have to find the mass of KMnO4 which is needed for the preparation of 0.2 molar KMnO4. We will use the formula of molarity, that is M is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in cubic decimeter. Since we have to calculate the mass of solute, therefore we will rearrange this formula as M is equal to mass of solute divided by molecular mass of solute into 1000 divided by volume of solution in cubic centimeter. To calculate the mass of solute becomes equal to molarity into molecular mass of solute into solution in cubic centimeter divided by 1000. Now by putting the value of molarity as 0.2, molecular mass of KMnO4 is 158 into 100, which is the volume of solution in cubic centimeter, divided by 1000. Our calculated answer is 3.16 grams. For the preparation of solution, we will take 3.6 grams of solute KMnO4. Then we will add this solution into a beaker and add some water to dissolve it. Then we will transfer this liquid to 100 cubic centimeter volumetric flask and add more water. We will keep adding water until the volume of solution rises to the mark. This is the desired solution. Now let us prepare another solution. We have to prepare 500 cubic centimeter of 0.2 molar KMnO4 solution. Now for the preparation of this solution, we will need molecular mass of KMnO4, that is 158 grams per mole. We will use the formula of molarity. M is equal to mass of solute divided by molecular mass of solute into 1000 divided by solution in cubic centimeter. By arranging this formula, we can easily find the mass of solute, which is equal to molarity into molecular mass of solute into solution in cubic centimeter divided by 1000. By putting the values of molarity as 0.2, molecular mass of solute is 158 and the solution in cubic centimeter is 500 divided by 1000, answer is 15.8 grams. This means we will weigh out 15.8 grams of KMnO4, add this solid into a beaker, add some water to dissolve it, then we will transfer this liquid to 500 cubic centimeter volumetric flask and will continue adding water until the volume of the solution rises to the mark. This is the desired solution. Let us prepare another solution. How can you prepare 25 cubic centimeter of 0.25 molar solution of copper sulfate, that is CuSO4 dot 5 water molecule of crystallization? Now let us solve this numerical. Molecular mass of copper sulfate 5H2O is 249.5 grams per mole. By using the formula of molarity, M is equal to mass of solute divided by molecular mass of solute into 1000 divided by solution in cubic centimeter. Now, to find the mass of solute, we will rearrange this formula of molarity as mass of solute is equal to molarity into molecular mass of solute into volume of solution in cubic centimeter divided by 1000. Now putting the value of molarity 0.25, molecular mass of copper sulfate 249.5 into volume of solution in cubic centimeter, that is 25 divided by 1000. After calculation, answer is 1.56 gram. What we are going to do is to weigh out 1.56 grams of copper sulfate. Then we will add this solid into a beaker and add some water to dissolve it. Then we will transfer this liquid to 25 cubic centimeter volumetric flask. We will continue adding water until the volume of solution rises to the mark. This is our desired solution. Now, next topic of our today's lesson is dilution of given solution. For the dilution of a solution, a volume containing the desired moles of solute is measured from a stock solution of known concentration. The measured volume of stock solution is then transferred to the second volumetric flask. The measured volume in the second flask is then diluted with solvent up to the volumetric mark. For the dilution, we will use the formula M1V1 is equal to M2V2. Now, let us prepare a solution of given molarity by diluting a solution of non-molarity. Concentrated sulfuric acid is 18 molar H2SO4. How many cubic centimeter of this acid is needed to produce 250 cubic centimeter of 0.1 molar H2SO4? Now, according to the given data, M1 is the given molarity of sulfuric acid, which is 18 molar. V1 is the volume of concentrated sulfuric acid needed. M2 is the molarity of concentrated sulfuric acid required to be prepared, which is 0.1 m. V2 is the volume of concentrated sulfuric acid required, which is 250 cubic centimeter. Now, solution. By using the dilution formula, M1V1 is equal to M2V2. M1V1 is the molarity and volume of given sulfuric acid, whereas M2V2 is the molarity and volume of desired sulfuric acid which is to be prepared. Now putting the value of M1, that is 18, into V1 which is to be calculated is equal to M2 which is 0.1 into V2, that is 250 cubic centimeter. So V1 is equal to 0.1 into 250 divided by 18. Answer is 1.39 cubic centimeter. Now, for the preparation of this solution, what we have to do is to transfer 1.39 cubic centimeter of 18 molar H2SO4 to a 250 cubic centimeter volumetric flask and dilute it by adding water up to the mark and mix. Resulting solution is 0.1 molar H2SO4. Now let us solve another numerical. A stock solution of HCl is 12.1 molar. How many cubic centimeter of this solution should you use to prepare 500 cubic centimeter of 0.1 molar HCl? Solution. Now by using the dilution formula, M1V1 is equal to M2V2. M1 is 12.1. V1 is the volume of HCl which is to be taken. M2 is 0.1 into V2 which is 500. So V1 is equal to 0.1 into 500 divided by 12.1. Answer is 4.213. Now for the preparation of this solution, we will transfer 4.213 cubic centimeter of 12.1 molar HCl to a 500 cubic centimeter volumetric flask and dilute it by adding water up to the mark and mix. Resulting solution is 0.1 molar HCl solution. Now here is another one. Can you prepare 250 cubic centimeter of 0.5 molar MgSO4 from a stock solution of 2.5 m magnesium sulfate? Solution. Again we will use dilution formula. M1V1 is equal to M2V2. M1 is the molarity of the stock solution which is 2.5 into V1 is equal to M2 which is 0.5 into V2 which is 250. So V1 is equal to 0.5 into 250 divided by 2.5. Answer is 50 cubic centimeter. So, for the preparation of 0.5 molar 250 cubic centimeter solution of MgSO4, we will transfer 50 cubic centimeter of 2.5 molar HCl to a 250 cubic centimeter volumetric flask and then dilute it by adding water and then mix. The resulting solution is 0.5 molar HCl solution. Commercial acetic acid is 17.8 molar. How can you convert this into 0.1 molar acetic acid? Solution. Now again we will use a dilution formula. Our stock solution of acetic acid is 17.8 molar. So M1 is 17.8 into V1 is the volume to be taken. M2 is 0.1 molar. Since we are provided with 0.1 molar acetic acid, so 0.1 molar acetic acid is always prepared in 1000 cubic centimeter volumetric flask. So V2 is 1000. For calculating the value of V1, V1 is equal to 0.1 into 1000 divided by 17.8. Answer is 5.6 cubic centimeter. For the preparation of this solution, we will transfer 5.6 cubic centimeter of 17.8 molar HCl to a 1000 cubic centimeter volumetric flask and dilute it by adding water and fill it up to the mark and mix. Resulting solution is 0.1 molar HCl. Now at the end of today's lesson, I am going to give you some numerical which are related to preparation of solution and dilution formula. You have to solve these numericals according to the situation. Question number 1. Potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 is a red-orange compound. It is strong oxidizing agent and it is used in the estimation of iron content in ores. A stock solution is 2.5 molar K2Cr2O7. How many cubic centimeter of this solution you need to dilute to make 50 cubic centimeter of 0.05 molar K2Cr2O7? Now according to the statement, you are provided with stock solution of 2.5 molar K2Cr2O7 and the desired solution which is to be prepared is 50 cubic centimeter of 0.05 molar K2Cr2O7. Therefore, use the proper formula to find the preparation method for the solution. Question number 2. How can you prepare 250 cubic centimeter of 0.1 molar NaOH solution? Now this is a simple one. You have to prepare the solution of sodium hydroxide 0.1 molar. For this you need to find out the mass of NaOH which is needed for the preparation of this solution.